Welcome non-Batalay.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel, Twohungry Tamilan. Magluluto ako ngayon ng ladog. Binili ko siya ng 20 pesos. So, ngayon ang lulutuin ko. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo kung ilan yun or anong itsura nun sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Yan. Yan yung ladog. Ito na yung tapos. Tinatanggal yung ito siya. Tinatanggal. Ito. Para mabilis na lang siyang anuhin. Yan. Ay, kamot na siya. Ito yung ladog. Yan. Ito yung tinatanggal. Yan, guys.
Now I will show you some exotic dish. We have already prepared. I will show you that one exactly. See this. This is the one laddig. Okay, it is. They will take it from the river side only. See, we put for just the sourness for that one. We put some tamarind, and also that's all. Just to put it and boil. Right,
Salt
bagoong.
and bagoong.
Salt and some bagoong they put.
And black pepper.
See this one. See here everything. You focus here because this one most of them never see. This one, see, we need to take it from here. This is called a laddig. They will eat. And this one, this is same like a dinandang. We mix with some kabatiti, eggplant, and also some starchy potato. This one taro. Okay, so I'm going to use the hand only. Sorry guys, don't mistake me. Okay, I will take some. It's very hot almost. I will take some, one little bit for tasting this one. Okay, first I will taste the soup. Okay, see. Sour. I can feel the taste. Heavy also. Okay, this dinang I already want to show you this before.
Excuse me.
See this one. We have to. This one they take it already. So here we need to hold it. In this one we need to like this one we need to do. Very hard to take.
Ikaw?
You
need to show it.
This is the cover. That one first one it will come, and then this one came. See here, it already came.
You took out everything? Show to everybody.
See, this is the one. It came it from.
Messi?
See here. Inside it is like this.
Don't move, you know they can see. Don't move.
See? Tablet. Like a jelly taste. It's very tasty. See, everything come out.
Empty.
Okay guys, I have to finish up this dish, and I will mix with the soup also later, and then I will eat. And I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, please share to your friends and comment. And the person who don't subscribe, please subscribe also. God bless everyone. Bye.